How to use custom audience in your Facebook Ads Manager step by step in this video. So, custom audience let you retarget existing customers or leads by using your own data. Step 1 is go to the Meta Ads Manager, visit Facebook Ads Manager, click the menu icon, the three lines in the top left, choose the audience under the asset section from your Facebook Ads Manager itself. Step 2 will be create a custom audience. Click the Create Audience button, select Custom Audience, and choose your shorts type. Some popular options are customer lists, email list or phone numbers, website via Facebook Pixel, app activity, Facebook, Instagram engagement, offline activity, and other things. Step 3 is upload or connect your data. Example 1 using a customer list. Upload a CSV or text file of your computer or customer email phone numbers. Map each data column to the correct identifier. Name your audience and click upload and create. For example, using website visitors, select website as your shows, choose the pixel and define the rules. For example, all visitors in the last 30 days. And then simply give your audience a name and click create audience. You can also include or exclude specific web pages, great for abandoned cart regretting. Step 4 is use the custom audience in the ad campaign itself. Go back to the ads manager, click create, add and choose your campaign objective. In the ad set level, under audience, choose custom audience. Select the one you just created. Set up the rest of your targeting placements and budget. Pro tip is use lookalike audience to find new people similar to your custom audience. This is how you can exactly do it. Step 5 will be monitor and optimize. Thank you so much for watching this video.